So we are at a Ryokan in near Niseko, a famous ski resort in Hokkaido called SHIGUCHI. These are the villas over here, but here's the main entrance. You can see it says SHIGUCHI. And so it's a luxury 5 accommodations Japanese inn, or Ryokan as they say. Niseko, Hanazono is technically the place, but it's in the greater Niseko area. Also, there's Kutchan and several other places. Anyway, so this was formed a few years ago by a gentleman named Shouya Grigg, and he was also the founder of a luxury resort nearby called Zaborin, which he no longer owns. The transfer of ownership, and now he focuses on this property. This is the main building where they have the reception area, restaurant, a gallery, things like that. It's along a beautiful river. You can see the walkway here. Yep, SHIGUCHI. And so you walk in this way. So this is a restored kominka, which is, I guess, just an old house, authentic, from Tochigi Prefecture, and it was broken down, relocated, and rebuilt. And yeah, so old building, but modernized, or at least stylized. And so this is it's the lounge area. There's some arts and crafts. Mr. Grigg is a connoisseur of various forms of art, ceramics, pottery, glassware, things like that. And paintings, arrangements. Konnichiwa. You see, so this is where they arrange the tea and the sweets for the arriving guests. この川の名前なんておっしゃってました？Iwo Gawa. Iwo River. Yes. Okay, so we come down here. And yeah, this is Iwo Gawa River. Pretty, isn't it? Nothing but nature down below. So, and then down over here, so let's take a look back. While she finishes the check-in formalities with a staff member. So you come in here. This is a private room for dining with the view of the river. And then down here is the main dining area. So we reserved this room for the two of us tonight for some privacy and to really understand the explanation of each dish. There's a wine cellar over here. You see, it's extremely stylish. You see the wooden pillars and the beams. Some really nice Japanese antiques. Hello, konnichiwa. どうぞそのまま。はい。Another view of the river down below. And so this is the main dining area. And this is the kitchen. こんばんは。よろしくお願いします。泊まらせていただいてます。飯田です。So they're preparing for the dinner. These are the dining areas, main dining areas. どうもこんにちは。And this is coffee bar とバーですよね。そうか。いやもうそのままどうぞどうぞ準備。こっちの方にちょっとデックの方に行きます。はい。あれこっちか。これね。部屋はあっち側になるんですよね。
そうですね。
あっちがこっちはもうこれで終わりっていう。はい。あ。これはここで終わりで。これもはい。
向こうに見えている、はい、小さな建物、はい、サウナになる。
あ、そうなんですか。貸し切りでこう使えるんですか。そうですね。あ、So, はい。So the gentleman just said that this building here is actually a private sauna that guests staying here could use. Just talk to them in advance, and it'll be available to you. So yeah, there's nothing around. Pure privacy, pure beauty. Let's go all the way to the end. Place to chill out and relax. It's actually a temperature-wise very comfortable day. A little bit of a cool breeze. It's 24 degrees Celsius, which I'm not a mathematician, but it's probably in the mid-70s. In Hokkaido in late June, so yeah, it's in the 30s in the main island of Honshu. So it's nice that we are here. So we haven't been shown our room yet, but we will soon. So just wanted to show the main area, and I wanted to explore it with you. So SHIGUCHI, 5-room luxury ryokan in Kutchan, which I guess Kutchan, Hanazono, Niseko, they're interchangeable. It's just the same area. So you can come during the ski season. You can also come during the pretty summer season. Okay.